Hey folks, today is a good day to clean some cymbals. I'm going to show you the method I've been using for the last several years to take these dirty, grimy cymbals and make them look clean again. All we need is a sponge, a rag, a towel, and probably the most important thing, barkeeper's friend. It's been a few years since I cleaned this cymbal. You can see there's lots of grime on it. This is a hi-hat cymbal, the top hi-hat cymbal, so it's going to be mainly dirty on the top here. The bottom doesn't look too bad, but I'm going to give that a clean too. To clean this, we're going to start by getting it wet. It's good if you have a big kitchen sink that has a nice tall faucet. Now take the barkeeper's friend cleanser and just sprinkle over the top of the cymbal. Take your sponge and just rub it into the grooves. You don't have to scrub at this point, you're just trying to get the cleanser all evenly distributed over the cymbal. Now I'm going to let that just hang out for a few minutes and let the cleaner work its way into all these grooves so that we can easily scrub off all that grime. Okay, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes. Now we're just going to take the sponge and just scrub away. I do it in the direction of the grooves. This sponge has a soft side and a scrubby part. I'm starting with the scrubby part. That way I can try to get any of the thicker stuff off. Just to let you know, scrubbing like this will eventually scrub off the logos on the cymbal, but you know what? Those logos don't really have a sound. So I don't really mind. If you get a thicker part there or a part that's a little more stubborn, just take a little more time and scrub away. That one's coming off pretty good. In the past, I've used Zildjian cymbal cleaner, and that works really good, but it does take quite a while, and you do get kind of messy with that stuff. Speaking of messy, make sure you're wearing a shirt that you really don't care about, because chances are you're going to bump this on yourself and get some of that greasy grime on your shirt. And that's truly what the dirt in these cymbals are, is your greasy grime. Your greasy fingers are touching these cymbals to choke them or to mute them, and the oils pick up all the dirt and dust in the air, and that's what makes these things dirty. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now we just need to rinse this off. That's looking really good. Now I'm going to do the bottom. Wow, that's quite a difference. Well, there we go, a quick little video on how I clean my cymbals. I've been using Barkeeper's Friend now for several years. It's so easy. Just sprinkle it on there, scrub it a little bit, rinse it off and dry it, and you got clean cymbals. Now, I've heard the arguments before that you're using a cleanser with some grit in it and you're going to ruin your cymbals, but you know, these are metal alloy. They're very hard. If I'm scrubbing that hard and clean my cymbals so often that I'm going to eat through this metal finish, well, it's not going to happen. In the comments, let me know if you've tried this method before, what method you use. If you do give it a try after this video and it turns out okay, let me know that also. Hope you guys are having a good day. I am. See you next time.